design, like nature, should be pure and timeless. Aura 5 was born from this very belief. Its inspiration comes from nature, yet it lives in the modern city. Its headlamps capture a droplet in motion. Clear, precise, and powerful. The tail lamps glow like the break of dawn, igniting the city. Within its form, fortune seems to spin in the wind. Like a geometric poem written by nature itself. It carries the drifting clouds of the day and holds the whispers of the night sky. Here, light and shadow move with your rhythm. Time itself is gently held in balance. And the music flows from the echo in the valley, pure, unbound, and free. To me, this is more than just a car. It is an expression of nature, a response to the city, and a response to the future. Aura 5, born from nature, but made for the city.
GWM, go with more.